Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine. Okay, today in my video, I will tell you about unit number 7 of mathematics and class ninth. Right? Ninth class maths, unit number 7, and topic is linear equations and inequalities. Okay, so linear equations, first of all you must know about linear equation. So linear equation basically means equation of the form where only one variable is involved, right? Equation in one variable of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is called linear equation, where a and b belong to real numbers and a is not equal to 0, right? Mean linear equation is an equation where only one variable mean that exponent of the variable must be 1. Exponent of the variable, here exponent of this variable x is 1, so exponent is 1, it's mean this is a linear equation. Variable may be x, y, z or whatever, but their exponent should be 1, and in whole question only one variable will be involved, right? Equation of the form like this, ax plus b is equal to 0, that equation will known as linear equation. Okay, I have exercise 7.1. Question number 1, solve the following equations. Question number 1 and part number 1. You can see the question. I have a linear equation, you can see, because this is an equation where only one variable x is involved. Okay, so this is a linear equation. And what is the procedure to solve the linear equation? The first step to solve the linear equation is that whenever you will see the fraction, you can see the fraction 2 by 3, 1 by 2. Whenever you will see the fraction, the first step is you have to eliminate those fractions, right? फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपने क्या करना है, इन फ्रैक्शंस को आपने एलिमिनेट करना है, ख़त्म करना है इन फ्रैक्शंस को. हाउ वी एलिमिनेट द फ्रैक्शंस? I will multiply each fraction on each side by the LCM. Mean each number, each fraction will multiply by the LCM. So first of all you need to know that what is the LCM. You can see 3 and 2. What is LCM? The LCM of 3 and 2, you all know how to find LCM. LCM of 3 and 2. It's very clear. 3 1 time 3 and 2 1 time. So 3 2 times 6. LCM is 6. So you will multiply each fraction, each term by LCM, and LCM is 6. So you will multiply each fraction with 6. 1 by 2x into 6. Then on each side, right, x will be multiplied by 6. This will become 6x. Then plus 1 by 6 multiply by 6. Is it clear? Mean to solve the linear equations, you have to eliminate the fractions. And what you do to eliminate the fractions, you will multiply each fraction on both sides. You will multiply each fraction by the LCM on both sides. दोनों साइड पे आपने LCM के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. Is it clear? I have an error here. We don't put sign of equality here because it's already an equation and equality sign exists here. So don't need to put the equality sign over here. Okay. Okay, now you can see 6 into 2 by 3x. You can simplify it. You know, numerator and denominator can be simplified. 3 and 6. 3 1 time 3 and 3 2 time 6. Here 2 1 time 2 and 2 3 times 6, and here 6 and 6 1 times 6 and 6 1 times 6. So now you have left 2 into 2. This is 4x. 2 into 2 4x minus 3 and x will multiply with each other. This is 3x. Then is equal to 6x plus, you can see here 1 ones are 1 and 1 by 1 mean 1. You can see this equation now. Your fractions are eliminated now. This first step is clear. Mean in first step you will eliminate the fractions, and how you will eliminate the fraction, you will multiply each side by the LCM. Right now, what is the next step? In next step, you will combine the like terms. You will combine the like terms. Like terms mean all variables on one side, and constant term will be on other side. Constant term mean where no variable is involved. For example, here 1 is constant क्योंकि इसके साथ x, y, z कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ. So this is a constant term, and these are variables. 6x, you can see variable x here, then in 3x x is here, then in 4x x is here. So you will combine the like terms, and combining the like terms mean all the variables on one side and constant on the other sides. Okay, 4x minus 3x, yes, this 6x is on the right hand side of the equation. When you will combine the like terms, it means this like term will shift to this side of the equation, on the towards the left. Whenever any number that will change its position from right to left, the sign will also be changed. So you can say 6x. When it will go to the other side of the equation, this plus 6x, I will write it minus 6x. Is it clear? Right? Mean in order to change their sides from right to left or left to right, we need to change their signs as well. If this is plus 6x here, when I will shift it towards the left side, I will change its sign. So it will become minus 6x is equal to. You have combined all the like terms, mean all the variables on the right hand side, and only one constant term, 1. I will write it constant term here. Mean all variables on one side and constant term on the other side. Now you can solve it. 4x minus 3x. You know 4x minus 3x answer is x. Mean 3x is being subtracted from the 4x. This is x. Then you can see next is minus 6x is equal to 1. Now minus 6x and 1x mean subtract x from 6. This is larger value have minus sign, so answer will come with negative sign. Minus 5x is equal to 1. Now you need to find the value of x, and you know that how we find the value of x. X will remain here, and you can see that 5 is multiplying with x. When this 5 will shift to the other side of the equation, mean towards the right side, this is multiplying here. When I will shift it there, it will be divided, right? X is equal to minus 5 is multiplying with x. When you will shift it here, it will be divided. कोई भी नंबर जब इस साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, जब आपने उसको दूसरी साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. I have told you here that if one number is being subtracted, when you will shift it towards the other side, then you will change its sign. Plus into minus, minus into plus. Similarly, multiply into divide, and divide into multiply. So you can see that minus 5 is multiplying with x. x के साथ minus 5 multiply हो रहा है. You will isolate the x. Mean आपको x की वैल्यू चाहिए तो आपने x को isolate कर लिया. And x को isolate कैसे करना है? This minus x will be written here, and this minus 5, when it will shift to the other side of the equation, it will divide. Is it clear? X is equal to minus 1 by 5. You have taken out the value of the variable x. X की value आपने निकाल ली. This is x is equal to minus 1 by 5. But you will not stop your question over here, because you have to check that whether this answer is correct or not. Mean value of x is correct or not. How can we check? You must know that for checking, you have to put this value into the original equation. Original equation mean the given question. You can see the given question. You will put this value of x in the original equation, right? In checking, what you will do? What you will do in checking? You will put x is equal to minus 1 by 5 in original equation. In original equation. Okay, so my original equation is 2 by 3x. You can see 2 by 3x. I will not write x. I will put value of x here. Value of x is minus 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 5. Then minus 1 by 2x, minus 1 by 2x, and I will put the value of x minus 1 by 5, then is equal to x, value of x is minus 1 by 5. You can see x on the right hand side, so you will put the value of x here and then plus 1 by 6. You will write plus 1 by 6. Okay, now you can simplify it. You can see if there is no cancellation on numerator and denominator, कोई number अगर cancel नहीं हो रहा, you can see these 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 5 are going to multiply with each other because इस bracket के बाहर यहाँ पर कोई sign नहीं है. It's mean these two numbers are going to multiply. And in multiplication, what we do, how do we simplify? We cut the numerator and denominator if it's possible. If there is no possibility, then you will multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 2 ones are 2, minus 2, and then 3 5s are 15, minus 2 by 15. Then you can see 2 sign here, and these two signs, when you will multiply these two numbers, their sign will also be multiplied. Minus minus plus. So 1 ones are 1 and 5 twos are 10. And on the right hand side, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Is it clear? Okay. Now how can I simplify it? I will take the, you can see in between the fraction you can see addition and subtraction signs. जब भी fractions में plus या minus के sign आते हैं, you will simply take LCM of the denominators. ये आपने पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ है कि जब भी fractions में आपको plus और minus के sign नज़र आएंगे, you will take LCM of the denominators. And how we take LCM? You all know 15 and 10. You will take the LCM of 15 and 10 on table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2 time 10, and then 3 and 2, 3 comes on table of 3 because it's a prime number. 3 1s are 3 and 2 as it is. Then on table of 2, 5 3 time 15, 15 2 time 30. The LCM of the denominator is 30. So you will multiply each term by the LCM. Minus 2 by 15 multiplied by 30, then plus 1 by 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to minus 1 by 5 multiplied by 30, then plus 1 by 6 multiplied by 30. Mean we will take the LCM of the denominator, then each term will multiply with LCM on both sides. दोनों sides पे आपने LCM के साथ उसको multiply कर दिया. Now you can simplify it. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and 2 2 time 4, this is minus 4. And next 10 1 time 10, 10 3 time 30. 3 1s are 3. 3 by 1 mean the sign is plus. 3 1 time 3 is equal to 5 1 time 5, 5 6 time 30. 6 1s are 6. This is minus 6, and plus 6 1 times 6 and 6 5 time 30. 5 1s are 5. 5 by 1 mean 5. Okay, now you can see minus 4 plus 3. 4 answer is 1, and the larger value has negative sign, so this is minus 1. Right? Answer will come with the sign which the bigger number has, right? So 6 minus 6 plus 5, answer is minus 1, because when you will subtract 5 from 6, answer is 1, and the larger value have minus sign, so answer will come with minus. Okay, now you can see that the answer on both sides are same. When you have checked your question, you have substitute the value of the x in your original equation. The answer in both sides, left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's mean this value x is equal to minus 5. This value has made the statement true. इस वैल्यू की वजह से ये स्टेटमेंट जो आपको ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन में गिवन है ये ट्रू है. मीन अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करें तो ये भी माइनस 1 आंसर देगा, और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये भी माइनस 1 आंसर देगा. मीन दिस वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स is making the statement true, making the original questions true. So you can see that solution set is, you will write solution set in curly bracket. Solution set is minus 5, mean x is equal to minus 5. This is true. Is it clear? You will write whenever you will see that your after checking you have right and left hand sides both are same. It's mean your value of x is right, and so this will be your solution set, that is minus 5. This is your answer. Is it clear?